Unable to complete Face ID setup. If you are having this issue on your iPhone device, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, open your settings, then tap on General and shut down your device for a few seconds. Then check if your problem is still solved or not. For that, go to the Face ID and passcode and try to set up your Face ID again. If your problem is still not solved, then you have to reset all of your settings. For that, simply go through the General again and scroll down to the last. Under General, you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and reset all of your settings. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.